Okay guys, when you open up the LoggerPro template that's in the assignments in Google Classroom, you'll see this. And all you gotta do at first is just type your data in. You have the calculated column of centimeters cubed, and then you have your graduated cylinder column. So I stole some data from years past, and I'm going to type some numbers in. And I'm just arrowing over. If you actually hit enter while you're typing in the stuff, it'll just go, it tabs over. Like you can't hit enter and it goes, you can't fill in a whole column at once. It'll just, it doesn't matter, like what order you type your numbers in. But as you type things, you should see, you type your numbers in, you'll start seeing points plotted on the line. If you notice all my numbers that I'm typing in, all of your calculated columns should have 2 decimal places. The program automatically cuts off a 0 at the end, but because you should have measured 2 decimal places on your ruler, your calculations should have 2 decimal places. And then your graduated cylinder, you can only guess in the 10th place. So if you notice, as I type in, I typed the 0, but then it disappears. That's probably pretty good. So I doubt your data is gonna be in a nice beautiful straight line, but hopefully you made good measurements and you get a nice pretty straight line. In order to get the graph, we want a best fit line, and in order to get the graph to draw a best fit line, all you gotta do is go up here and hover over these things and it'll pull up with what they're called, and you click on linear fit. So I'm going to click that and it draws a line through my points and tells me what my slope is. And that's what we need. Sometimes these lines like pull up right here. I want you to move this box over so you can see the line and see the data. Other things, like if I had a point, like when you're graphing your data, say I got a point that's way off the line. And if you noticed, my best fit line lined up, but if you have a point that's clearly not in line with anything else, you can highlight that point and go up here and click edit and strike through data cells, and then and you kind of have to click somewhere on the graph. And if you noticed, I clicked the line. In order to make sure that it graphs all your points, you highlight the graph and then click linear fit again. But if you needed to take out one of those points, you can do it. You can do it while it's graphed your line. So, yeah, if you have points that don't look like they line up, you can strike through. Don't take them out completely. Just do that strike through thing, and hopefully this doesn't take too long. We will do a little bit more with the slope, but I want you to make sure you save this. Maybe put your initials at the end or something, and resubmit this completed copy back to Google Classroom. Thanks guys. We'll see you when I get back.